Today we're featuring a 2015 Jeep Cherokee. It's got 37,000 miles on it. It's got a clean CARFAX One-Owner. All right, it's crystal black pearl in color. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. We'll start here on the driver's side. All right, everything looks good here. It does have the roof rack on top. Driver's side is in good shape. All right, it does have the rear backup camera. Alright, got your tow hitch and your trailer plug there. Everything looks good back here. Make our way down the passenger side. Everything looks really good on the exterior of this Jeep. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Got the black and black door panels. Nice metallic trim here. Power locks, power windows, power mirrors. Okay, it does have black cloth driver's seat. Nice stitching throughout, kind of like graphite inserts, okay, throughout the seat. The cloth is in good shape. No problems at all. It does come with 2 keyless entry key fobs. Passenger seat cloth is also in good shape. Alright, it is an automatic. And it is a 4-wheel drive. It's got your select terrain right there. SD card reader, USB, auxiliary, and power supply outlet right there. Climate control area here. You're going to have your backup camera and your radio display there. All right, it does have a little storage right up here on the dash. All right, leather wrap steering wheel audio controls, and Bluetooth. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 37,780 miles on it. AC's blowing cold, no problems there. Okay, there's your AM/FM display screen. I'm going to gauge the backup camera. Alright, and you have your climate control center here. And your 4-wheel drive selection there. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. And I'm going to go ahead and walk around and open up the doors. It does have black cloth, so it's a little hard to see sometimes. So I'm going to open up all the doors, let as much light in there as we can so you can see exactly what I see. Alright, door panels look good. No problem there. Back seat cloth, same setup as the front seat. It's got your graphite inserts. Nice white stitching throughout. But the seats are just absolutely amazing. It doesn't even look like anybody's even sat on them. Got your pull down cup holders there. Convenient power outlet supplied right there. Go ahead and give you a driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look in the back. Alright, carpet back here looks good. Another convenient power outlet here. Spare tire underneath. I'll go ahead and step to the side so you can see the depth of just how much room you got back here. Everything looks good back there. All right, and this is going to be the passenger side of the rear seat, or the back seat. I just want you to be able to see it like me, and you can really see how nice it is. No problems whatsoever. And the passenger seat. This is the front seat. One really cool thing about these seats is that little tab right here, you can pull this up. Got your storage underneath the seat there in the passenger seat. Really cool thing there. Let's go ahead and shut these doors. Let's take a look at the wheels and tires. 17-inch alloys. Tires are in great shape. No problem at all. Alright, once again, it's a 2015 Jeep Cherokee, 37,000 miles on it. Clean CARFAX One-Owner. This thing's in great shape. It's a 4-wheel drive. Alright, backup camera. It's got everything. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.